Okay, welcome to the Henstitute. This time we're talking about work. And like you saw in the video, work involves both a force, so you'll see here I have a force acting, and a displacement. We have to have both of those to actually act. Now I grabbed a picture from that video in which I show that I actually have my object here that is being lifted up. So I'm taking my box down here and it's actually going to be lifted up. So our box is actually going to have a force and a displacement. So our true definition of work is the force acting on an object multiplied by the displacement of the object. But there's a little more to it. The other part of it that we're going to add in is times the cosine of the angle between the two objects. So theta here is the angle between your force and the displacement. In other words, in this particular case, if both the force and the displacement are in the same direction, the angle here would be 0 degrees because they're both acting upward. I know we've got them kind of side by side, and some people say that that's 90 degrees because they're relating it to horizontal, but you're trying to find the force, the angle between your force and your displacement, and that's why it would be 0 degrees. So in this particular case, what I would actually put in is the cosine of 0 degrees, but the cosine of 0 degrees is just 1. And so my work would just equal my force times my displacement multiplied by 1. And that's the simplest way to actually have work being done.